sport life. I'm in Sierra Leone, or from Sierra Leone. And I'm so happy, this great opportunity for me to be here. Thank you.
Oh, it's a joy, absolute joy to have you here, because we want the great big yawn to spread contagiously in the world as the most natural action that we do from being in the womb. It's not something that we're taught, and it manipulates, so it expands and contracts more muscles in our body than any other action that we take. So when we do that great big yawn, which helps our eyes water, ears buzz, mouth feel like we're going to eat the room type of yawn, that really helps to stimulate our vagus nerve and our lymphatic system and our blood supply. So if we can encourage people to stop stifling who they are, stop stifling their yawns, this one unique action that we all do, and encourage it and support it, and have yawning workshops and smile when somebody yawns, and you join in with them to help them complete that yawn. We're experimenting here to see what actually might happen, but if we're actually allowing our bodies to reset and relax in that process, then we've achieved something by being present in that moment. So tell us what you're going to be doing, Okon, to help spread the contagious yawn in Sierra Leone.
Well, thank you very much once again. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for the research that you must have done for you to conclude what yawning will actually do, for humanity, because this is very new. It's a new thing. And for us here in Sierra Leone, sorry, this is an opportunity for us in Sierra Leone. Every group that I'm in, when I sent that information that you sent me, everybody was excited. And, they were saying that the white people are doing research. That is why we are healthy in the world. So I said, okay, but we too must be able to, spread whatever thing that we know that will help us, moreover, especially our bodies. And it is so important that yawning can help our body, and it has an health benefit. And for me, I've spread this message to every group, because in WhatsApp we have so many WhatsApp groups, and I've spread that one, and also to individuals to see how important yawning is. And the link that you gave me, or some of the information that you gave me, I spread them, and it's elaborate. I was able to go through them, to read them, and I believe that yawning will help our body, help our blood flow from the head down to our body. And so I'm very, very excited, and I believe that this message will not only stop here today, but will spread it to every nook and cranny of our society, so that people know the importance of yawning.
So my reason why is because I think learning through EFT and TARC, we've learned that that's a really important part of it. That's really where we show our energy shift, and we see that when we yawn, we're releasing that negative energy that needs to be cleared from the body. So being able to share that with others, I think, is fantastic, to be able to give them a tool that they don't need to pay for. It's in their back pocket. They can use it wherever they are. Doesn't matter what they're doing. They can tap, they can yawn, and they can help themselves. I think it's just, I never get the sayings right, but when they say if you teach rather than give somebody a fish to eat, you teach them how to fish. And to me, Yawning teaches people how to help themselves.
Yeah.
And I think that's just a fantastic thing that, you know, to share that with everybody is incredible, to be able to give you something that, you know, is there constant.